looking at things like, if people are investing in waste management or recovery, can we have some incentives in the equipment that they're using, in terms of maybe tax waiver or tax exemptions for stuff they need to import? Can we have investment in maybe from our government agencies like Kuri, who are coming up with these prototypes for waste management? Can we have these things waived in a way that people can actually come out more to invest in the waste recycling?
So when you ban something, what is the alternative? And that needs to be well researched, because otherwise you get rid of one problem but you introduce a new one. And we need to be aware whether we can handle the new problem, or is there a better solution that doesn't cause a problem. So that is sort of, I think, a lesson learned from that whole exercise. Yes, we were successful. We don't have those plastics around that much, like let's say 80%. However, let's learn from that one that still solutions need to be well researched before we implement an alternative.
There are a few criminals here and there, and we are arresting and prosecuting them. We have also asked, recently we wrote to the county government to ask the managers of markets that if we visit a market, a county market, and we find plastic bags there, we shall prosecute the manager of that market.